Hi, I'm Jay Shilliday and I'm a recording engineer at Slate Run Productions.
Can you tell us how Auto-Tune works?
Auto-Tune is a program that I use that allows you to make small adjustments in somebody's singing voice or in an instrument like a solo instrument like a cello or something like that, and you want to make pitch changes on it, and you can actually go in and assign the plug-in to make it change pitches. A really close friend of mine's voice
is how she left you.
Now if I wanted to change some of those pitches, this is actually going in and by itself analyzing the sound waves and figuring out whether or not they're correctly on pitch. But I can actually go in and make these changes by myself and make it sound really weird and way out of tune. So I'm going to do that right now just to show you how awful or different or whatever you would ever want to do. These are all changing the pitches up or down depending upon where they occur. This is a keyboard that kind of shows you where the pitches should be.
Empty and lifeless is how she left you.
So those are kind of the goofy things you can do with Auto-Tune, and it'll actually go in and analyze where you're supposed to be, and if you're off by a little bit, it'll go in and correct for that kind of automatically.
Cool. Can you show us how it looks when you have like multiple instruments for a song?
Sure. So on the display over here, this kind of spits out or shows you that track number 1, this is all a vocal track up here. And if you zoom in on that, you can have a look at what the waveform looks like on that, and here that sounds like, even though I just made all those pitch changes. I'm going to take that out.
Empty and lifeless.
So that's the vocal, and then back down here on tracks 2 and 3 is the acoustic guitar. And we'll just listen to that a little bit. A 12-string guitar, which is this one right down here on track number 5, and it's put it all together, it sounds like this.
Sat down and asked me if it would be okay to talk.
C sharp is sine of 1100 pi x, and A is sine of 880 pi x, and E is sine of 1320 pi x, and that's what they all look added together as a chord. And now if you have a wavelength like this, what it's supposed to be, and your voice goes like this, then they take the equation that's originally the note and match it like that.